And welcome to video 2 of the Microsoft Office tutorials with Incredible Connection. I'm Rara and I'm here to show you how the awesome search functionality tools in Microsoft 365 can improve your Office experience. I'll be showing you two powerful search tools. Tell Me, a tool that simplifies searching for any function in the Microsoft Office environment, and Smart Lookup, which grabs any information from the web directly within a Word application. First, let's take a look at the Tell Me search bar, a staple across all Microsoft Office 365 applications. Just type up what you want to do, and immediately results pop up, allowing you to edit or access that feature right away. Because Tell Me is featured across all Office applications, finding what you need has never been this easy. Now let's take a closer look at Smart Lookup in Microsoft Word. To access the Smart Lookup tab, simply highlight the word or phrase, right-click, and select Smart Lookup. Smart Lookup will seamlessly pull information, even images from the web, allowing you to find out more about the selected word or phrase. Navigating over to the Definitions tab in Smart Lookup will allow you to quickly and efficiently source definitions of words in your document. See how simple it is to speed up your workflow and efficiency using Microsoft Search Bar and Smart Lookup? To learn how to use Microsoft Researcher to assist your workflow on your next research paper, follow the link in the description below. See you soon!